Hello. Okay, so today we are actually going to look at the Tweet Like Magic plugin. Now in this video we'll discuss why you should use the Tweet Like Magic plugin. You'll also learn how this plugin can add extra cells to your bottom line, because this is not just a plugin to add a tweet button to your site. This plugin really is sheer genius, and if you're smart, you'll find 100 different ways to make money with this exceptional plugin. Now, if you use the most basic function of TLM, there's no reason at all why you shouldn't see some fantastic results. But there are lots more features included with this tool that you may have forgotten about or never even realized existed. Or maybe you knew that they're there, but you're just not sure how to make best use of them. Now, the report that goes with this video contains 8 power tips and 15 different power strategies as to how you might use it. And the link to download that report is just below this video. But to keep this video short enough to be useful, but not so long as to bore you, we're going to look at just one of those tips and add some detail. Okay? What we're actually going to do is we're going to look at one of the things you can do for Power Strategy 14. Okay, now you can drop a TLM campaign into rotation normally on your traffic exchange. You know, that's going to be seen by surfers. You can limit its visibility to once per day or per week. But unlike other strategies that are in this report, you actually may be able to afford to give away more credits or impressions on this page because it's only going to be seen by people who are already surfing. Now, what we're going to look at today is actually dropping a Tweet Like Magic campaign actually onto the prize page itself. So what we're actually going to do here is I'm going to give you a quick run over of how TLM works, and then we're going to give you specific details of how we set this up ourselves. So when you look at setting up but let's just take a new one just so that you can run through it quickly. So we'll do this as a test tweet. That's just the name that we're going to call it. Okay, and we'll give 10 credits. So as you can see, you can give credits, banner impressions, text, peel away ads if you've got them, porky points if you've got them. Okay, and you can even do products if you've got ebooks that you want to give away for a tweet, or video series that you'd like to give them access to, that kind of stuff. You can also do temporary upgrades. Look, where do you want to give them an upgrade for a month if they tweet? Anyway, let's just take a look at, let's add that just so I just want to show you the basic what you'll see when you set up a new one. Alright, so this is the new one. Now you can, this one at the box, top of the box, this new members only, so that if you tick this box that you will know, and this is important, you will know that the people seeing this tweet, this campaign, are people who are not members of your traffic exchange or your mailer or your normal LFM membership site. They are not members. So you can write a specific campaign in the HTML that we're going to come to in a minute that actually aims at new members. You know, you could, if you set this up that in our splash page, for instance, you could know, because this is checked, that only non-members will see it. So that you can say, "Oi, you, we know you're not a member of our site. What's going on? Tweet for us here now and we'll give you free credits so that you can come and register with us and get some free credits coming over." Now you see how important that is, because you can actually target non-members. Okay. And then the receive reward one here is once per member. You can do it daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, every 2 months, and yearly. Now that's quite important because you actually don't want to be bombarding them people with making the same tweets all the time. So in the scenario that we're going to set up, we're actually going to set it up so they only see it daily. And then, of course, this is the URL that they would get sent to or be linked to if they tweet and like. Now, you can make this any URL you want, but you can also, for instance, run through with the affiliate IDs, just like we've done here. I mean, it's fairly self-explanatory. There you go, boom. But you could make that any page you wanted to. You could make that an upsell page, an upgrade page. You could send them to, if you're a JV partner in a new launch, you could send them through to the launch, your new launch JV partner affiliate ID. You could ask them to tweet on your price page or in your traffic exchange. If you tweet this, we'll give you 50 credits. And when they tweet, what they actually tweet is your link to the promotion that you're doing, the JV partners. So you could get all of your surfers to promote your new JV link in return for 50 credits. That's pretty cool on its own. Now this is the message that you would put in for your tweet. Yay, we like promoting Bob's affiliate link for whatever. Okay, so that is then the message that would get tweeted out. Now what you need to do is also use the hashtags every time, because you can get, if you can get enough people doing this, you can actually trend on Twitter, which is pretty cool. So in this case we're in farm traffic, so I'm going to use farm traffic as the hashtag. That means anybody that tweets through any of our campaigns on farm traffic will be using that hashtag, and if enough people do it, then of course we will be trending on Twitter. Pretty cool. The button code down here, this is what, we'll come to this in a minute, but this is part of the reason why I wanted to show you this new one, because this is basically, all this would do was put a tweet button and a like button up. No information, no instructions. Okay. So what we want to do is, once I've showed you the new one, is I want to actually go through now and show you one that we set up earlier for a prize page. So this code is designed to go actually on the prize page itself, and we'll show you how that looks in a minute. But if we click on this ID number, there we go. Now this is inside our own site, so we don't need to click the new members only, okay, because it's going on our prize page. Now we've set the reward for daily, and we've set their affiliate ID. So when they actually tweet on the prize page to get their prize, they will also be tweeting their own affiliate ID, which is worth pointing out to them. And here we have the message, yay, I just claimed more prizes over at Farm Traffic. They're giving away the farm today. And there's the hashtag Farm Traffic. Now when they send this message, okay, when they click do the tweet, that would get that message, and this affiliate and this URL will be tagged onto the end of the message. Okay. Now this is where we come to the difference between the button code. Remember that the other one just had like and tweet. So what we actually did was, in my editor, I actually made a nice little box with the tweet buttons inside them, highlighted, and a little message inside there. And let me just show you how that looks. So it's when we put it on the prize page, this is what the actual HTML does. All this inside this red box says you can claim extra prizes just for tweeting or liking us. And then there's the tweet and the like button. And then underneath I put the little instruction there. Remember, if you tweet and like for us, okay, not only will you be getting extra prizes, but you'll be promoting your own referral link. Alright, so we did that. So these are people who are surfing, they've come to the prize page, they've already claimed prizes, now they're being told they can claim extra prizes and they get free promo. So that's pretty cool. So that's a pretty simple power strategy for surfer rewards. Now I'm sure if you sat down and thought about that, you could think of all different things that you could put on that prize page to attract people who are surfing already. Okay. You could even do swaps. If you have more than one traffic exchange, for instance, you could say on there, I mean, this is farm traffic, so we could have said, if you tweet for us here now, we will give you extra credits at Rainforest Clicks. We could have made this button, this Tweet Like Magic campaign in Rainforest Clicks and put that code on the farm traffic page. So there we go. That is a pretty simple way to get people to do pretty much what you want in Twitter and in Facebook. That is a very simple power strategy for using Tweet Like Magic. And it took us all of, what, 2 minutes to set up. So what I want you to do now, okay, I want you to download the report that goes with this video and think seriously. If you don't already have Tweet Like Magic, take us up on the offer below as well. And I'll look forward to you telling me how much money you've made from Tweet Like Magic. Thanks very much for listening.